Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about kale. And I have a list of herbs and spices that are known to pair well with kale. So if you're looking for some ideas, a different way to use it and flavor it, hopefully this will help you out. On this list we have anise, basil, bay leaf, capers, caraway seeds, cayenne, chili pepper flakes, cilantro, coriander, cumin, curry powder, dill, fennel seeds, marjoram, mint, mustard, nutmeg, oregano, paprika, parsley, pepper as in black pepper, rosemary, salt, savory, tarragon, and thyme. I do hope this helps you out. Bye for now.